Hello everyone, I am Kshema and I am currently pursuing my final year engineering. I studied in Learners in 2014-16 batch. I always feel proud to say that I am a student of Learners. Personally speaking, Learners taught me many things, along with giving best memories for my life. Learners stands on top of many other institutions because of its uniqueness. There are many aspects which makes Learners a best institution. Murli sir, Madhvi ma'am, who are the pillars of Learners PU College and their entire team are working really hard in making a better education systems for the student for their betterment by implementing different methodologies like 5W1H, mind mapping and much more. The quality of teaching, the materials provided, and the student teacher relationships are all excellent here. The regular workshops and interactive sessions conducted along with the great leaders are really very helpful because they do not only improve our knowledge in academics but they also give us more knowledge on current trends, technologies, and career opportunities and things like that. One on one attention is given to the students in order to improve their skills and make them a confident person. They organize all sort of activities for students and they make sure that all the students definitely participate in them in one or the other way. With all this, the college is getting really very good results with the effort of both the students and the faculties. I would love to give a single phrase for this institution, the best institution, which is best suited for the students who are looking forward for a better and a bright future. I wish a good luck to everyone. Thank you and have a great day.